Surah 91, Surah Ash-Shams, the sun.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful.
Wash-shamsi wa duhaha.
By the sun and its brightness,
Wal-qamari idha talaha.
and the moon as it follows it,
Wan-nahari idha jallaha.
and the day as it unveils it,
Wal-layli idha yaghshaha.
and the night as it conceals it,
Was-samaa'i wa ma banaha.
and by heaven and the one who built it,
Wal-ardi wa ma tahaha.
and the earth and the one who spread it,
Wa nafsin wa ma sawwaha.
and by the soul and he who proportioned it,
فألهمها فجورها وتقواها.
and inspired it with discernment of its wickedness and its righteousness.
قد أفلح من زكاها.
Successful indeed is the one who purifies their soul,
وقد خاب من دساها.
and doomed is the one who corrupts it.
كذبت ثمود بطغواها.
Thamud denied the truth by reason of their transgression,
إذ انبعث أشقاها.
when the most wicked of them was sent forth.
فقال لهم رسول الله ناقة الله وسقياها.
And the messenger of Allah said to them, "Do not harm the she-camel of Allah, or prevent her from her drink."
فكذبوه فعقروها.
Still they defied him and slaughtered her.
فدمدم عليهم ربهم بذنبهم فسواها.
So their Lord crushed them for their crime, leveling all to the ground.
ولا يخاف عقباها.
He has no fear of consequences.
صدق الله العظيم.